All right, so I'm gonna show you this. Sorry, we moving, so I ain't really got nowhere to. Okay, I'm sitting on the couch. I hope you can see it. See all this frizz? I'm not gonna retwist my hair, but I'm gonna show you this. So you can put your stuff on there. I just spray some water, and after I wet it, get some oil because the oil gonna sit on top of the water. Cause you know water and oil don't mix. So you put the oil on there, and then you'll twist it how you want to twist it, like that. Just to twist that part, and then you see all this frizz. Palm roll it. Now there's nothing wrong with this, but I'm gonna let it go. You see, still frizzy. Don't worry about this because I ain't got nothing on there, but I'm talking about this. Okay, so let's just say we locksmith it. I'm gonna twist this. Twisting this. And then I'm gonna pull the hair out. Not hard, but you know, just get it out. I like my ends loose. I know. Okay, so I'm pulling the hair out. And then I'm just gonna, you start in the middle of your head and your hand, like this, on your own head. And on everybody else's head, but okay. So then you pull like that. You're gonna pull like that. You're gonna use your thumb too now. And you just moving up and down. Hope you can see it. I'm gonna do it again. Hold on. Pull the hair back out. Oh, it's in there, as you can see. But okay. So gonna start again because I ain't see it wasn't on there. In the middle, roll. And you just moving your hand, not hard. Moving your thumb and your palm, not hard. You just caressing your hair. Caressing it. You're gonna get all the hair in there. And you gotta hold the end. And if you see any hair sticking out, you could just go back over it with the locksmithing. Okay, see this? I'm gonna let it go. You see? I'm a palm roll one. What TV show? The talk show I have on public access. Since when? Okay, let me see. Frizz. Okay. I'm just gonna palm roll this. Okay. Now, you see the difference? You see the difference? So this one is locksmith, and this one is palm roll. So you see, still frizzy versus this one. Imagine if I had product on there, like some water and some oil, and that's it. And I even touched it, and it still looked better than this one. Now I like my frizz, so whatever. Oh, don't worry about it. But yeah, I hope if it's still hard, I can record better once we get in our new place, cause it's hectic. But I'll record it better. But yeah, okay. Hope that helped.